Well, thank you so much for this award. I cannot express the honor. It's really a big, how to say, result or a big end of a saga. Together, this award, as well as the judgment of the European Court of Human Rights that Jeff kindly mentioned. The Peace Institute is a research and policy institute in Slovenia. One of the fields in which we're working is human rights and minorities. And for the last 6 years, we have been deeply involved with the issue of erased people. It's a very old issue. It happened 20 years ago. I do not have the time now to go into the details, so I invite you to look at the website which we created for this purpose. It's the Erased Information and Documents, so you can find all the information there. But basically what we did, we tried to achieve a policy change for 25,000 people who have been affected by this measure of the state, but by this arbitrary deprivation of legal status of such a huge number of people. So we used different techniques how to do that. We used standard advocacy techniques, policy advice. We wanted to influence public opinion because we didn't just want to achieve change in the policy, but we also wanted to achieve the public support for these changes. We think it's very important, otherwise it just doesn't happen. And then in the end, the strategic litigation at the European Court of Human Rights brought us to the result when 6 erased people, as the first within the community of 25,000, received compensation for the suffering that they unfortunately experienced in the past 20 years. This really is an important achievement, I think, and also because the judgment was a pilot judgment in nature, meaning that it's going to affect not only the 6 successful applicants, but also the entire community of the 25,000 people. So thank you again. This is a great encouragement for our future work, because now, of course, the implementation phase of the judgment begins, which is, a crucial thing. One thing is to win at court, and the other thing is to see the judgment being implemented. Thank you again.